attitude for that, and I know the ethos that they make. So the ethos right now is crazy, but it's still. Like I'm playing on the deck. There we go.
It's the E-model or the long nose. Last year was the short nose. This airplane is the pinnacle of our work so far with CARF-Models, and I felt incredibly proud last year. It was a huge honor for me, the greatest thing with
the volunteer awards, few people are honored with, but it's really for, special people that do a lot of hobby. This particular thing is just truly in a league of its own in terms of the scale and the beauty of it and the craftsmanship. It's just, it's truly super.
Yes, and there's another very important point for what happened to us in the past few years, that we found Max Chrubasik, who has all recipes. It's not really part of what he's doing out there, and so I decided to have him fly with mine for the season and also here instead of me, because you will see when you watch him display, he has a feel for the airplane which is completely incredible. It's a one. Instead of 100, it makes it much easier to fly for us to play with the airplane. It has two insects, 235 installed. It has all the light, the communication, it has blocking, very protected, has the canopies which are electrically to open and close. Max is just pushing completely, so it's very safe, and that's the good thing with it, that you can fly so incredibly safe due to the size and the weight.
It's just, what amazes me really is, obviously I can't say this, but when manufacturers put those F-4 things, they don't have the little details, right? I see the lights coming at me, I see the afterburners, you guys put it above and beyond to really provide the best product.
It is the teamwork. It's not, I got the idea and I use it by seeing how things get done and how it's done. But without the guys I'm working with, there would be no way. We have staff engineers who can get the most complex things perfectly done in SolidWorks. This is 100% professional work. I'm sure this has not been seen anywhere else.
Yeah, absolutely very well. I'm just standing here just trying to admire. We saw all the crazy flying, some of the best flyers in the world. A lot of it is just, the passion behind it, right? You have to have a passion to build something so amazing. I think that's why, they honor you with the Bob Smith Award. It's not only the idea to do it, but just, the passion and follow through that you had to truly make it in a league of its own.
Yes, it's a project which took us 3 years to complete from the first idea. And then to make the nose with all the details being delivered.
Actually, the plane is not wrong with two airplanes. When you start working with the table, you have to start and then you think, it's easy, just put a long nose, make one complete, and then you realize that
this is shifting, that is shifting, and at the end you have almost two complete motions because you want to be consistent, there's no way to
so well. It just looks like he's just one with that airplane. It's just a beautiful scale representation of, a real F-4 plane, and also just the pinnacle of what we're able to do in this hobby. You can go anywhere from a small little all the way
Yes, so now we will see, especially the nose here, and then luckily we have a parachute, a drop chute, which I hope will work very well to slow it down, but Max is just
there it is, a little parachute. Thank you so much, Andreas. Thank you, CARF-Models. Great job, man. I mean, it's just a great way to end the show today. And once again, I appreciate each and every one of you coming out and supporting everybody here at Happy New Town Demos. We'll be at the same place tomorrow with another incredible show. So once again, thank you